This is a code I'm trying to verify before uploading the board. Uh, this is Arduino Nano 33 IoT. What is this? Read the sensor data from analog pin 7 and there is a certain Bluetooth service I have initiated with this ID. So this ID will be used in the Raspberry Pi for the getting data, and also these the setting of Bluetooth connection, so it can be displayed on the Raspberry Pi and it can connect to the Raspberry Pi. After this device get connected, this will you this will you can see that light dots cast the right value. So this will basically write the data into a Bluetooth connection, the data we get from the light sensor. So I'm going to now upload that into a board. So you can see that uploading, and it has been successfully uploaded. Here I'm connecting to my Raspberry IP here, and I have been connected to the Raspberry IP using the Tiger VNC viewer. So as my Raspberry IP in the same Wi-Fi network as me, so I can connect to the using the VNC viewer. So let's go to the code. This is the code I have used the Sony editor. So that basically do is use this libraries. This public library is what we use for the Bluetooth connection, and this RPA GPI is for the GPI pin. So the characters UID is the service that I show you initially in the Arduino code that I broadcast with this ID. So this is the MAC address, Bluetooth MAC address of that Arduino. So the Raspberry Pi know what does it need to be connected. So these are the LED pins, and the threshold I have defined. So these are just setting up GPI pin for the input and output process, and this is for the controlling, and this part is the what try to address connect to the Arduino using the Bluetooth. So it used the Bleak client with the MAC address we have given to it now where to where need to be connected. So it will try to connect. If it cannot connect, it will wait for another 5 seconds. That's way I have created this code, and if it was able to connect, then it will gather, you can see it will gather the license value that are taken, that are transmitted from the Arduino, and it will be the serious pin in the shell. So that's the basically it. So let's see the hardware function. This is a basic setup I have made for this parking system. Here I'm using Arduino Nano 33 IoT and the 6000 light sensor, which detect the car previous light and send that data to a Raspberry Pi. Here the main car getting closer to the wall, the light setting initially will be high. So using that analogy, we can use this to create the LS system using the shown Raspberry Pi by here, and I have created 3 LED, uh, red, yellow, green, and will be shown when the device is not much. The green LED turn on, there is a considerable gap between wall and the car, and the yellow will be at the moderate level, and the red will be LED when it get too close, and the Raspberry Pi powered by using a power bank. And let's see what happened. In here, you can see that we have successfully connected, and we are getting this sensor values. So I say I'm going to use my flasher. So you can see when I'm using flasher, that sensor value goes high. It is too close. It's getting higher value. So you can see that that's working correctly. So I'm going to remove my flasher. So then now its value should go down, and so it's going down. So as you can see here, without any flash or light in it, it's sensor reading around 80. So the green color LED lighting on right now. So now I'm going to do more light into the sensor. So like it's like the car approaching to the sensor. So I'm going to increase. So we go. I'm using my phone flasher. So it goes about 5 500. It will, you can see it goes above 500, and now the green and yellow LED blinking. And so I'm going to further increase. So if it goes about 900, it will be turned every LED. So it's like a car approach the wall. So I'm going to remove that thing. So it will turn on. It should turn only the green color. So you can see there is no connection between Arduino and Raspberry Pi, just full Bluetooth connection. So as again I am going to show you. So think I am made sensor value around 500, yellow and green LED blinking. So if I make more closer, you can see that every LED blinking right now. So that is basically the uh, parking system I have designed. And the sensor value are sent from the Bluetooth, and we are to the Raspberry Pi. So I am going to remove it, and you can see that LED are turning off, red and yellow one. And so once again, if I make it closer, so to 900, if it is goes about 900, you can see it code also, it's 0, 500 and 900. And if we goes about 900, and every LED will be blinking. So that is the pretty much, and this end of my video. Thank you.